Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I'm bringing you a dish from Cuba, a traditional dish from Cuba called Fricasé de Cerdo, which is pork fricassee. Before we get started, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Si quieres ver más videos como esto, toca la campana. Hoy le traigo una receta tradicional de Cuba, se llama Fricasé de Cerdo. So before I begin, I have to marinate the pork for a few hours. I'm using Mojo marinade, and this is a Cuban marinade that's used to marinate all types of meat. Antes de empezar, tengo que adobar la carne por unas horas con mojo cubano casero. Si te quiere ver el video cómo hacer mojo cubano, dejaré un link. I'll leave a link below on how to make mojo marinade. So let's get started. Para los ingredientes necesitamos son una libra de cerdo en trozos, media taza de mojo casero, 3 papas, una cebolla cortada, 4 dientes de ajo, media pimiento rojo y verde, 3 cachuchas, una cucharada de sazón casera o una paquete de sazón con achiote, una hojita de laurel, una cucharada de orégano, una cucharadita de comino, una cucharada de ajo en polvo, sal y pimienta al gusto, una taza de salsa de tomate, media taza de vino seco y 12 aceitunas. So I removed the pork from the mojo marinade and I pat dried it a little bit so that I can get ready to start frying it up in the pan. So now I'm going to add some olive oil to the pan, and I'm going to add the pork and just brown it very lightly. Echa un poquito de aceite. Manteca es original de esta receta, pero es más saludable para poner aceite de oliva. Lard is traditionally used in this recipe, but it's more healthier to use olive oil. So I'm using olive oil. As you start frying the meat, you're going to start noticing some liquids releasing from the meat, but don't worry about that. Cuando se fría la carne, va a ser agua, pero no se preocupe. This smells delicious already. I can smell the mojo. It's just radiating in my kitchen. If you never used mojo before, it's a citric, garlicky marinade. Me encanta mojo porque huele rico de ajo y naranja y le da a carne un sabor caribeño. So now I'm going to add in the onion, the red pepper, the green peppers, and the cachuchas, which are the sweet Cuban peppers or the sweet Caribbean peppers. Ahora vamos a echar la cebolla, pimientos, y cachuchas. Now I'm adding in 3 cachuchas, and they're sweet peppers from the Caribbean island, and they have a lot of seeds in them. So what I'm going to do now is just remove the seeds, and I'm just going to break the cachucha into little pieces. Ahora vamos a poner 3 cachuchas. No voy a cortarlas porque son pequeñas y voy a romperlas en pedacitos. El ají cachucha es un pequeño dulce pimiento con muchas semillas encontrado en Latinoamérica y el Caribe. Next, I'm going to add in the dry ingredients. I'm adding the cumin, the oregano, the sazon, the garlic powder, and the salt and pepper, and a bay leaf. Le puse una hojita de laurel, sazón con achiote, sal y pimienta, ajo en polvo, oregano y comino. I'm also adding in the garlic. I'm adding in 4 cloves of garlic, minced. Ahora vamos a echar ajo picadico. Next, I'm going to add in the tomato sauce. I'm adding in 8 ounces of tomato sauce or 1 cup of tomato sauce. Agregamos la salsa de tomate y seguimos revolviendo para cubrir todos los ingredientes. So now you want to mix all the ingredients together so that everything is covered with the tomato sauce. Next, you're going to add in a half a cup of white wine and 4 cups of water. Ahora echamos media taza de vino blanco y 4 tazas de agua. So now we're going to cover the top and we're going to let the meat cook until the meat is soft. Tapamos hasta que la carne esté bien blanda. So tonight I'm making two different fricassees. I'm making chicken and pork. En la otra olla haciendo fricassee de pollo. It's been 30 minutes, so now it's time to add the potatoes and the olives. And also the meat should be tender by this point. Pasado 30 minutos y la carne es blanda, así que vamos a poner las papas y aceituna. Make sure your potatoes are covered very well so that they can cook all the way through. Asegúrate de que las papas estén cubiertas para que puedan cocinar completamente. And if you have a little grease in your fricassee, remove it because there's nothing worse than eating greasy fricassee de puerco. Si tiene grasa en tu fricassee, quítala porque nadie le gusta. So now we're going to put the top back on and we're going to cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Vamos a tapar hasta que las papas sean suaves. And here is my pork fricassee. Aquí tiene mi fricassee de puerco. And I'm going to serve it with white rice, avocado, and a wedge of lime. Se acompaña con arroz blanco, aguacate y limón. Y puedes comerlo con maduros o una ensaladita. This dish goes well with sweet plantains or a nice side salad. Well, my friends, that's all for now. It's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Hasta la próxima. Muchas bendiciones. Bye-bye.